If USB ports are not working properly in Windows 10 and 11, then watch this video till the end because I am going to give you the best solution. First of all, check if the USB device is working properly or not. To check if the USB device is faulty, simply unplug it and plug it again to another computer. If it works properly, then it is fine, but if it does not work, then you need to buy a new USB device. Check the power supply of your laptop. Make sure that you go to the power cable and check whether it is connected to the port properly or not. You can unplug the power supply or a charger and plug it again to your laptop, or you can also try to restart your laptop and see once whether it is working or not. Plug the power supply back in and see whether it is working properly. Find out, you can check your PC to see whether it is showing properly or not. You can see whether your USB ports are damaged. Repair them properly if they are damaged. You can see them properly. You can try to clean USB port and plug the USB again. Another method is to open Device Manager. Bottom you can see Universal Serial Bus Control. Click on this. Double click on USB Root Hub. Click on Power Management. Uncheck it and click on OK. After that, again click on USB Root Hub. Open this. Open Power Management. Uncheck it and click on OK. Close it and make sure to update your USB driver as well. You can use any external software as well to update your USB drivers. After that, restart your PC and this issue will definitely get resolved. And in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button friends and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, take care.